Hello again, grade 1 students. How are you today? I hope you're having a super day. Today's video, we're going to have Unit 12, Lesson 1. So, let's go shopping. Did you go shopping before? Of course, yes. All of us went shopping. So, what would you like to buy most when you go shopping? For me, I like to shop clothes. I like clothes so much. So, let's see what they are going to have today in the shopping day. Look here, listen. I'm going to read this and you will tell me what kind of clothes that they got. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. He says, "What's this?" Mommy answered, "It's a jacket." Okay. He asks, "What are these?" The salesman said, "They are socks." They are yellow. So I ask you now, what they got from the shopping store? He has a jacket here, and the boy and girl have socks. I ask you, what color are the socks? Yellow. Super. So I ask you now, what can you see in the picture? Clothes. Yeah, very good. So different items of clothes. I can see many things here and different colors. Let's remember now, what are the clothes items? What can you see? What's this? I think it's a jacket. Super. So I wear jacket in winter when it's cold to warm your body and make you feeling fine. So I see the jacket now in front of me. What can you see in the middle of the jacket? Can you see this part? This part is really important to keep you warm. It's cold. Zipper, excellent. So I use this zipper to close the jacket and make it tight on your body. Very good. So let's remember now, what's this? It's a jacket. Very good. It's a jacket. I say it's to refer to only one thing, one item or one object. So I say it's a jacket. Again, repeat after me. It's a jacket. Very good. And what's the thing? We use it in the middle of the jacket. So this is called a zipper. So we say it's a zipper. Very nice. What's this? Girls usually wear this. And this is very lovely thing. I like to wear it. So I say it's a skirt. It's a skirt. Very good. So this is skirt. Okay, look at this picture. What can you see in this picture? Yes, boys almost wear it in summer when it's hot and sunny days. So this is a t-shirt. Super. It's a t-shirt. Colorful t-shirt. What can you see here? Yes, we go back to winter. It's cold, so we wear it to make us warm. This is called a sweater. Very good. So it's a sweater. It is a sweater. Very good. Look here. What's this item? Of course, it's a very important item in your cupboard. So I open my wardrobe and I see this. I say, they are pants. They are pants. Why do we say they are? It's only one. No, it has pair of legs. So all of us have two legs. So anything that you wear it and it has a pair of this thing, it's called, we say they are. Very good. They are pants. Look at this picture. What can you see? Do you remember? Yes, they bought this socks in this shopping store. So I say, they are socks. Why do we say they are? Because it's a pair of socks. It has two, a pair of. Very good. So they are socks, not only one. I use they are. Look, the same thing. I have here shoes. Do we say it's shoes or I say they are shoes? Super. I say they are shoes because we have a pair of this thing. Not only one, they are two together, make only one shoe. Very good. This item is very important. I wear this at night when you go sleeping. So what's this? Do you have one? Of course, yes. They are called pajamas. Pajamas. I wear pajamas at night. So is it only one item or it has a pair of two items, t-shirt and pants? So I say they are pajamas. They are pajamas. Very excellent. So let's remember the items of clothes. When we go to shopping store, we buy a lot of things like a jacket, a t-shirt, a skirt for the girls, a pair of socks. So I say they are socks. Super. I wear pants. I usually wear sweater in winter. And finally, I wear shoes. Shoes. Very nice. Do you remember the color of socks that we saw at the beginning? What is this color? They are yellow socks. Very good. So I use yellow to refer the color. Any item that we find, yellow, white, or orange. Now I have a very important question. What is this? I use what is this to ask about only one item. I have some magic tricks. Look here. I disappeared. What can I do? I replace it with apostrophe. So this apostrophe is really important to replace the vowel here in is. It make it short form. What's this? How would we say? What's this? So it was, what is this? 3 words. What is this? Now we make it shorter. Just 2. What's this? What's this? Let's say it together. What's this? What's this? Super. So let's ask more questions. What's this? It's a jacket. Very nice. And the second one here, it's a skirt. It's a skirt, the short form. Supers. Look here. She said they are pants. They are pants. How would you ask the question? I say what? Of course not. It's not is. I say what are these? What are these? What are these? They are pants. What are these? They are pants. So again, I use the short form, what's this, to ask about only one item. Look here, what's this? It's a skirt. Excellent. Very nice. And I hope you enjoyed our lesson today. See you next time, grade 2 students. Goodbye.